I'm gonna clean my feet. Hi everyone, welcome back to 7 Days channel. As you can tell, I am super duper excited today. Even if you're gonna see this video something like in May, right now it's Christmas. And I just got in my mail my wedding shoes. Hopefully I'll manage to do my own wedding dress, so I thought that all the money that normally is going to a dress, I could invest in a luxurious pair of shoes. It was a couple of months that I was searching for shoes, so I perfectly know what I wanted. So when Black Friday came, I said, let's start our research and maybe I can save some money. Now I will insert some clips when I was searching for them. Sorry for being like this, I have no makeup, but I am checking out right now the list of the shoes on internet, online, because in few days will be the Black Friday and I figured out that the cleverest thing to do for my wedding is to get the shoes on these days. So I can get something really good with a good price and maybe can be also a luxury brand, who knows. I really like the flats rock stud of Valentino. I don't know if it's too much punk though, we will see. Today is the Black Friday and during the night I really hoped to see something different, maybe to get some more discounts. And I was checking with my mobile phone. I don't know why my mobile phone in some sites doesn't get the sales, so I was thinking that the shoes are not on sale anymore. I was checking all the night for something else and actually that's the moment that I realized that the shoes were perfect because I didn't find something better. I'm really tall, I'm around 6 feet, I am 180 centimeters. My boyfriend is not that tall, so I decided that even if I love heels, I'm not gonna wear heels during my wedding. I absolutely have to get white shoes, you will understand why. So to get nice white flat shoes with a brand, luxury brand, I think that the Jimmy Choo one are the best. And now that I found out that the sale is still there, I'm totally sure to get them. I was thinking about it for 2 days and now I'm ready to pull the trigger. But without spending too much time in intro, I want to show you what I received yesterday. I decided to use the site Net-a-Porter and this is what I got yesterday. I just opened the box without opening the actual shoe box, so you're gonna totally see with me for the first time how they look like. Let's open the box. So it's coming this envelope, that is the only thing that I have already seen. It's written that I have 28 days to send it back. Are you ready? I'm so excited. Wait. So guys, let's go for it. Voila. Okay, we don't need this anymore. Okay, one of the reasons why I got this online is, first of all, because I had no idea where I could get Jimmy Choo in Greece. If you know, comment below, please. And second of all, finally, I got a 42, a European 42. I'm always wearing the 41, but I believe that my real number is 42, but here in Europe I don't find it. So finally, for my wedding, I have my own true number. Above the bow, if I'm not mistaken, this is exactly what is coming if you order through Net-a-Porter. It's their signature. Okay, so let's go for the satisfying moment. Let's do it. Okay, I don't see nothing. You see nothing still. 2, 1, 2, 3. It's the last one. Also, like, actually, I won't bother you right now. It's written Jimmy Choo also in the wrapping paper. Okay, let's go. Let's go. They are perfect for the wedding. Also this one. They come with, so avoid the rain, heat, oil and makeup. It's even coming the bag for the humidity, styled in a Jimmy Choo way. Okay, the first thing that I'm a little bit not happy about is that they don't have a dust bag. This is kind of strange. Okay, let's remove. Of course, today I'm bare feet, so I can try them on. Okay, so Jimmy Choo London, made in Italy, and it's a 42. So the shoes are called Lacer Patent Leather Point Toe Flats. We have the outer part that is the shiny one, 95% calf, 5% lamb. Then we have the inside lining that is 100% goat. And then the inner sole is goat again. And the sole is 95% calf and 5% rubber. Like, I can't even describe you how is the sole. I wish that everything was made of this material. I really don't know how I'm gonna walk in this sole because I don't want to ruin it. It's like, sorry for what I'm doing, but it's really the softest thing on earth. Let me see also the other one. Kind of dirty inside. It's something strange, I don't know, can you see it? I wasn't expecting that. I was so excited, but then first the dust bag and then this one. But maybe it's nothing, maybe it's just kind of dust because it doesn't feel that someone wore this, you know? Clearly they are new. Can you see it? I'm kind of a little bit disappointed right now. Also because it's like a really big amount of money that I spent. It's $450 but I paid like $600 with all the taxes. So, okay, never mind. I'm gonna get just a tissue and I hope that everything is okay. Okay, it's Black Friday maybe, so clearly they didn't have so much time to check all the pair of shoes that they were shipping. I imagine that it was a hot mess over there, but again, I'm kind of upset. Even if it's easily going away, and it seems to be so, but you know, you pay $600 for this and you want it perfect. I'm sorry guys, I really hope that this wedding series were like, oh, you saw me at the beginning. I'm gonna use also a wet one. Okay, it's really easy to remove. Okay, if it's, I hate these things. So it's okay right now. Now you see I'm gonna see problems everywhere. Okay, let's see. Everything else seems to be really fine and really good. Okay, so I will stop my concert, I don't know how to say it. And let's speak about the shoe. I really think that these are the perfect shoes for my wedding. And now that I have the color of the shoes, I can also go to get the fabric for my dress. I wouldn't say that this white one. I would say that is a kind of creamy color. That maybe for the everyday life it's even better, because you know, the white one it's really like, okay, you're gonna get married today. And I really think that these, something like with jeans, with trousers, or even with the skirts, they are perfect with anything. And they are super comfortable, I hope. I will tell you soon. But I mean, they are flat, but they are elegant at the same time. So, okay, so let's try them on. A double structure of strings. They are keeping my shoe, they are keeping my foot really tight. And plus they have also a small elastic over here, so I really hope that I won't have any issue. Okay, I'm gonna clean my feet. Woo! Yeah. They said no humidity. I won't have any humidity. Okay. Quite okay. Please. They have to work. They have to work. I'm having a heart attack right now. Why, if you don't do the things by yourself, everything is wrong? That's why I love DIYing. That's the problem. I have seriously, do you see? Like I have to slide diagonally. I am in. I won't go out. Okay, the number is perfect. The number is perfect, but it's clearly so hard to get in. Okay, the shoe is lovely. Seriously, sorry. But I don't know what I should do. Like everything was fine in the end. Like even now they feel like it's a 42. It's exactly my number. But yeah, if I want to use them more than once, but again, it took me so long to decide which type of shoe I wanted, and in the end this was the only one I liked. Like it was perfect, it was white, it was flat, it was a little bit romantic, but at the same time a little bit elegant, but not too much rock. And it's a 42 and it was available, and I got it during the Black Friday, so okay, I'm trying to walk. They're nice, they're chic, and I think that they will be so much comfortable during the wedding because they're flat. They're actually beautiful. I think I'm gonna keep them, but I am gonna write a letter. I'm gonna send a pigeon. I'm gonna send them an email for sure. So I just want to tell you that I sent the mail at Net-a-Porter, and I explained them that I'm not gonna cry if I don't see a dust bag, and also the shoe is clean right now, but after me cleaning it, so I don't want to send the shoes back. But I was a little bit surprised from what happened, and they apologized and they told me that I will have a 5% discount of the total amount of the shoes in my wallet in the Net-a-Porter site. So I really appreciated it. So I just wanted to tell you that they did something for me. Thank you so much for watching. Even if the video, it wasn't how I and maybe also you expected, I really hope that you appreciate that I was sincere as much as I could. Let's hope that during the wedding everything is gonna be okay. You'll find it out. And if it's not too much, give this video a like and see you soon. Bye bye.